Hi, meet Bob. Bob is a happy-go-lucky guy who enjoys playing golf, gardening, traveling, and playing with his grandkids. So you could say life is good. Several years ago, when Bob went to his doctor for a routine checkup, he was diagnosed with diabetes. He's done a good job with managing his glucose, so it hasn't really been an issue or slowed him down. Until one day, Bob started noticing a funny feeling in his feet. First, it started out as numbness. It didn't really stop him from doing anything, so he just ignored it and thought it would go away. One time, however, Bob developed burning, tingling, and pins and needles in his feet. This was followed by cramping, achy leg pain, and if that wasn't bad enough, sometimes he'd experience sharp and shooting pain. He even started losing his balance. Bob was no longer a happy camper. The pain and discomfort forced him to slow down. He could no longer do all the things he loved, especially playing golf. Bob became depressed and began avoiding family activities and other social events. His inactivity led to weight gain to top it all off. Finally, he went to see a neurologist who diagnosed him with diabetic neuropathy. His neurologist told him that 70% of all diabetics will develop neuropathy. His doctor also told him, once the nerves are damaged, there's nothing that can be done and you just need to learn to live with it. He then prescribed Lyrica and gabapentin to manage the pain. After taking these medications, Bob didn't like the way they made him feel. He always felt sleepy, like a zombie, and he gained even more weight. All the while, his feet kept getting worse. Living like this was not an option for Bob. He was determined to find a better solution. One day, Bob found a book called Defeat Neuropathy Now In Spite of Your Doctor. The book was written by two of the leading neuropathy experts, Dr. John Coppola, D.C., and Dr. Valerie Montero, D.C. Dr. Coppola and Dr. Montero are the founders of the San Antonio Neuropathy Center, where they have been helping people repair and reverse their neuropathy damage for over 10 years, and they have a 90% patient satisfaction rating. Bob had a glimmer of hope that finally there might be some doctor that can help him. So Bob called these doctors, and here's what he discovered. After years of research and successfully treating thousands of neuropathy patients, Dr. Coppola and Dr. Montero have developed a proven treatment protocol for successfully reversing nerve damage. The doctors explained to Bob, just like a flower needs sunlight, water, and fertilizer to grow bright and beautiful, feeding your nerves with the right nutrients and the use of low-level laser therapy can heal your damaged peripheral nerves. It can also reduce or even eliminate neuropathy symptoms and get your life back on track. And this wasn't merely their opinion, this has been backed up by hundreds of clinical studies. Bob had nothing to lose but everything to gain, so he started on the NeuroCare program developed by the doctors. After completing the NeuroCare program, Bob's nerve damage has been reversed. All the pain and symptoms have subsided without the use of dangerous medications, and Bob is back to golfing, gardening, and playing with his grandkids. Bob is finally a happy camper once again. If you would like to reverse your nerve damage and restore the quality of your life, then call us or click the button below for more information.